welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Oh, I was missing you all very much, and it's been a long time I had met you all. Actually, I had been a short trip to India, and I thought of posting videos from there, but unfortunately I was not able to do that. So now I'm back to Dubai, and I really wanted to start posting the videos, and here I am today with another great occasion like Christmas. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. So hope you would have all not forgetting me. So please keep supporting me. I'm sure you would have all baked a delicious Christmas cake today. And I'm gonna bake one such quick Christmas cake which is perfect for the last minute fix, which will be ready in half the time with just 3 ingredients. Yes, it's gonna be an easy peasy 3 ingredient fruit cake. All you need to do is you just have to soak the dry fruits in chocolate milk overnight, and you have to mix it with the flour and bake it. So simple, right? So are you curious to know about the recipe? Even I am equally excited to bake you the recipe now. So shall we dive into the preparation of this delicious fruit cake?
So to begin with, today I'm going to prepare my Christmas fruit cake with 500 grams of dry fruits, and the dry fruits which I'm going to use today are green color raisins, black color raisins, golden color raisins, and glazed cherries which I had cut into halves, and tutti frutti, and half cup of pitted prunes. You can also use dates instead of this, and 300 ml of chocolate milk. Just take an airtight container. Now I'm going to begin with pitted prunes. You can also use dates as I told you earlier. So I'm going to measure half cup of pitted prunes, and I'm going to add this to this airtight container. Next I'm going to measure these 3 types of raisins to 1 cup, and I'm going to add it along with the pitted prunes. Next I'm going to measure tutti frutti and glazed cherries to 1 cup, and I'm going to add it along with the raisins and pitted prunes. Now I'm going to add a second ingredient, chocolate milk. So I'm going to add 300 ml of chocolate milk to the dry fruits. So now I'm going to give a slight mix of dry fruits along with the chocolate milk. So now we can close this with an airtight lid, and I'm going to allow this to soak it overnight in refrigerator. So after soaking it overnight, I'm just opening the airtight container, and you can see the dry fruits had soaked very well in chocolate milk. Our third ingredient will be 1 cup of self-rising flour. But if you don't have a self-rising flour, you can also use maida or all-purpose flour instead of this. But only thing is you need to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and quarter teaspoon of salt, which I had given in the description box below. Now I am adding this soaked dry fruits along with the chocolate milk to the flour. Just give the dry fruits a good mix along with the flour so that it gets well coated. Now I am going to add half cup of walnuts which I had roughly chopped. Whether it is sprinkling of walnuts in your breakfast muesli or a handful of walnuts eaten as a afternoon snack, there are plenty of ways these nuts can make you everyday healthy. So totally this recipe needs 3 cups of dry fruits and nuts together. So now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and these steps are totally optional. I am just adding it to give an extra flavor to the cake. So you can very well skip this step if you're not particular about this flavor. So I had taken an 8-inch square pan. I'm just going to apply the butter, and I'm going to line it with baking paper or parchment paper. Now I'm going to transfer this fruit mixture to the cake tin. So I had already preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius since I am using a fan forced oven. If you're using a normal oven, you can preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Now I'm placing my cake tin in preheat oven, and I'm gonna bake it for 55 minutes. So after baking for 55 minutes, I had removed the cake from the oven and I had allowed it to cool completely. and now I'm removing it from parchment paper. So today I'm gonna coat this fruitcake with Kentucky bourbon whiskey, which is totally optional. Brandy, dark rum or whiskey is normally traditionally used to coat this Christmas cake, and they used to soak it even fortnight with this rum, brandy or whiskey to give an extra flavor. So you can omit this completely if you want to prepare a kid friendly cake. Wow, such a wonderful fruitcake. It also slices well and it isn't crumbly as you see. See, it's soft and really moist. Wow, these last minute 3 ingredient fruitcake looks absolutely incredible.
So not only for Christmas, even if you want to bake a cake for a picnic or a gathering, this would be the perfect one. So please do try this last minute, easy peasy, quick Christmas cake recipe and do share your experience. So see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Have a great day.